Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today is going to be my November favorites video. So if you want to see the products that I've been loving and not liking so much for the month of November, then you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment, hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see the products I have been loving and some not loving so much, then just keep watching. Alright guys, I don't have an awful lot of products because I did put myself on a timeout as far as buying new products. So most of these are things that I got from my Sephora VIB haul. But I got a lot of stuff, so let's get going on it. I'm going to start off with some foundations. The first one is by Makeup Revolution. It's the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This stuff is beautiful. I love their stick foundation, the fast base, and I fell in love with this too. The only thing I don't like is this doe foot applicator, and I did it in my other video. It sounds so gross. But it's just a beautiful, beautiful product, so I can put up with that. And I highly recommend it. Drugstore pricing too, so you can't beat that. The next foundation I also really fell in love with was the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. Holy moly, is this stuff beautiful and flawless on your skin. It just looks so natural and so pure, just beautiful. It too has a doe foot applicator, so same type of thing. It just doesn't make that same noise for some reason. So thank you, Wander Beauty, for putting a silencer on yours, I guess. This is gorgeous. Absolutely have to pick this up. And then I have one last foundation. It's a drugstore one. This is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation. This is beautiful. It doesn't settle into any of your wrinkles or creases or anything that you have. It doesn't dry out your skin. It doesn't look like makeup. It does have a squeeze tube, but not on it. So just how you get it out of the tube, but I really, 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 really like this one. And then I have two concealers that I fell in love with for the month. The first one is the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. I picked mine up in the color Cotton Candy, and you guys know I have horribly under eye dark circles. I mean, bad. I'm wearing this right now, and I think it just did a beautiful job of concealing my under eyes. It's got a really unique applicator on it too, which I like. It's stainless steel, so it's actually very cooling on your under eye area, so that'll kind of help with any depuffing you might need. And then it just has, hopefully you can see that, there's a little hole that the product squeezes out of. A little squeeze, you can see it, oops. And you apply a little bit, goes a long way. So, oh shoot, I didn't want to waste that much. That would be enough right there that I squeezed out for like 4 or 5 days of uses. So it does dry down fairly quickly, so you maybe want to work with one eye at a time. The next one I really like, not as much as the Huda Beauty, but I think it's beautiful, is the Jouer Concealer. This one is the Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I did pick mine up in the wrong color. This one just looks a little bit yellow, as you can see, under my eyes, and I prefer a lighter shade. So I am going to exchange this for the right color, but I really like it. It gives a lot of great coverage and helps out with those dark under eye circles. Now let's get into some eyeshadow palettes. First one, you can pick this up at Target. It is a limited edition. This is the Pixi by Petra Ultimate Beauty Kit 5th edition. So this is just a beautiful little box that it comes in because it is cardboard. You open it up and here you get all of these matte shades which blend out like a dream. I did a video on this. I'll leave a card up here in the corner so you can go and watch it if you'd like to. And then in the center, you get all of these blushes and bronzers and highlighters. And then the last side gives you all of your shimmer shades. So this is perfect for traveling. And it just folds up nice and compact and it's just fabulous, just fabulous. So get this before it's gone. The next one is the Naked Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. So I also did a video doing a look with this. So again, I'll leave a card up here in the corner for you. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I was going to love this as much as I did. It does come with a neat brush. It's a dual-ended brush, and it's actually really good. Got a nice mirror inside, and then these are all of the shades. They blend out like a dream. I'm not kidding. They are just beautiful. Go watch that video I did on it. Seriously, you will see how gorgeous these are. All right, the next eyeshadow palette is palettes, actually. These are both by Violet Voss. She's got a total of 4 of them, and I picked up 2 of these, but these are the fun size palettes. So I have the Berry Burst and the Creme Brulee. So let's start with the Berry Burst. This is what it looks like inside. And if you have ever purchased any of the Violet Voss palettes, you know how good they are. And sometimes when you get these little mini palettes, they're just not the same quality. Well, I am very happy to say that these are the same quality as her other palettes. They're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, I did a video on that too. So of course, there's a card up here in the corner if you want to go see. And I did kind of mix the 2 palettes together and use some of the colors out of each one. But again, she's got 4 different palettes, so check them all out because you might really like those. And these are so inexpensive too. So really like those. The last product that is one of my favorites is not really something I can hold up and show you, but I did a Brazilian, it's actually complex Brazilian keratin hair blowout treatment, and I did it myself at home. My hair is naturally frizzy and wavy and curly and a little bit of everything, and I did that on November 10th. Today is December 2nd, and my hair is still looking shiny and beautiful, and all I did was let it air dry, guys. Normally my hair would be out to here and looking horrible. So for this, I am tickled pink. The kit that I got off Amazon. I'll have links to everything down below for you. It was a process. There's a video you can go and watch if you want to learn how to do it and see my before and after results as well. Do this in a well-ventilated area. That's the one thing I'm going to recommend. Make sure you have the proper tools on hand and schedule yourself enough time. You're going to need at least 3 hours to get this whole process done. So, but I'm tickled pink with it, and I have enough of the product left to do it a second time as my hair starts to grow out and get frizzy and, well, the gray's something else. We'll have to talk about that in another video, won't we? All right, let's move on to the products that I didn't care for. So I call them my goodbyes. These were my goodbyes, but these are my goodbyes. The first one, I wanted to like this so bad. I tried and I tried and I tried. But the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. This is horrible. I couldn't even finish using it. I just couldn't wear it that day. It looks so bad on my face. It comes in a glass bottle and it's got a pump on it. It's drugstore pricing, but it's not worth it. I don't care if they sold this for $1. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't recommend anybody buy it. It's horrible. It just looked so thick and cakey, and it wouldn't blend in everywhere. It was patchy. I just can't even describe how horrific this was. So that was a strong pass for me. And then the last thing, and this is going back as well, this is by Ciate. It's the Glitter Storm palette. Luckily, I haven't sent this back yet, so I can show you why it is I'm sending it back. I didn't even bother doing a video on it because when I was playing around with it, I realized how bad it was. So for starters, the one thing I really like is the front cover is really kind of cool. You can play around with it if you want. The case is huge because of this. And these are the shades inside. And the mattes, they're not bad. You know, I don't mind the mattes so much. But these chunky, glittery silver shades here, they're just glitter central. Here, I will swatch those. They don't look pretty on your eyes, and even after I've swatched them, see how everything is still all over my fingers, so you get this stuff all over the place. They don't show up all that well. They're not very pigmented, and that's a strong swatch right there. But it's just, they could have done better. I have other Ciate palettes that I just love, and this one was just a hard pass for me, so you could go back. And by the way, they already had it on sale before the VIB sale even started. So that goes to show you how bad it is if they had to drop the price to put it on sale shortly after it came out. So, but that wraps it up, you guys. That's everything that I have been loving for the month of November. We're in December now, and I am not buying any makeup. Nope, not going to do anything till after the first year. I told everybody I wanted 4 gift cards for Christmas. So hopefully that's what I will be getting. So let me know what you guys have been loving lately, and products that you didn't care for. It all helps us learn what to get, what not to get. Tell us why you either love it or you don't care for it. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, ideas for videos you'd like to see me do, leave those down below in the comment box. So until next time, you guys, I love you all. Bye-bye.